Well, hello there, my friends. It's Yarra here with you for Arcadia Economics today. And I'm joined by a very special guest, our personal friend and friend of the show, Josh Lown, who also lives here in Colorado. And we're really excited because he's going to start sharing. Josh is a real life miner in the everyday time, and he's going to start sharing some stuff with us about how to find gold and silver and other fun things that Josh knows about. But the real reason why we're doing this video today is because I know a couple of you guys have heard me say that I received the package that holds Chopper Ben, and it had quite an adventure to get to where I'm holding it in my hands, so I wanted to share the unboxing of it with you. And since Josh was here too, I thought this was a fun chance for us to do that together. Also, so I could tell the story of Chopper Ben trying to fly from Canada to Mexico. And Josh, do you want to start dealing with the tape while I tell about how we tried to get Chopper Ben to fly down to Mexico from Canada? And he made it to the border, which was a great start that we were very excited about. But then there were a lot of duties and taxes at the border, which, you know, we didn't know what they were going to be, but that's fine. I was willing to pay them, of course, because Chopper Ben. But then I had a hard time getting the link to be able to pay them, and each time I would request the link to be able to pay for it, the cost went up significantly. And so it kind of seemed as though they were maybe holding Chopper Ben for ransom, and literally as time went on, it went from being, I believe, $720 to get him released at the border to north of $2,600.
What?
Yeah, exactly. And so this is why,
don't they have enough silver?
Well, I mean, I don't even know that they cared that it was silver. I'm not really sure what the situation was. So we thought, okay, well, it's really hard to get Chopper Ben into Mexico, so he flew back to Canada, and then took another flight and came here to the United States. And what we did learn, though, is that the Mexican border was not especially kind to Chopper Ben and didn't send him back to Canada in the shape that he was sent there. So I'm about to see along with you guys, but it sounds like they scratched him up pretty bad and then didn't pack him securely. So I think we might have some bent.
Some bent bends?
Well, so I think maybe the propellers are bent. Wow, you guys, look at this. See, they packaged him very lovely to send him back to the U.S. Oh, we might have to unbox another one. This might have been a tease. There's more boxes.
Box inside of the box.
Yes. This feels like little Chopper Ben for Yara.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is big Chopper Ben for Chris. Are these some propellers?
That's one propeller.
Wow, you guys, this is the first piece of Chopper Ben live on YouTube with you all. This is Big Ben's propeller. Ooh.
That's cool as it is.
Yeah, right?
That's neat. That's just...
So, let's see.
Okay, we got the first micro box open.
Chris, we're opening it.
Okay, I'll let you do the honors.
Very safely packaged. Thank you, Marble. Oh, more tape. This is like better than Christmas, you guys.
Oh, this is cool.
Wow, he's really heavy.
I think it's cool.
Wow. More tape. Safe journey back. Wow.
Dude, that is cool.
Hold on, we need to affix the propeller.
That's so crazy, dude.
It spins, guys.
That is awesome.
And Ben's Smug Mug. I think this one spins too. Oh yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh.
And then
look
at the detail on the other side. There's even the controls for flying. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it where the light might get too hard to see. And
that is neat.
This is Chopper Ben numero uno.
Yo, Ben, can I get a Benjamin?
That's amazing. Would you like to hold it?
Oh, man.
All right, let's.
Whoa, it's got some weight to it.
I know it's super heavy, right? I think that one was like eight or more ounce. I have to go back and look at the invoice. I don't even know. Let me.
That's cool, man. That's
here
really
we can
neat.
have-
That's a good idea.
I'm so glad that they've landed safely in our possession and aren't being held hostage anymore. Wow. Should open this way for me. That is so cool, dude. All right. There's bin number 2.
Ah, the front is neat.
I
You
know,
got
right?
little
They've got
windshield
whole
windshield
controls and
wipers,
windshield
dude.
wipers.
You got windshield wipers.
Oh, did we have one more helicopter
Blade?
in there?
No.
In the big box?
There is
Huh.
not a blade.
Well, maybe it might be somewhere else.
Might be
but
on there.
maybe it is.
No, it's not.
So this is small chopper then.
Did someone hork the propeller?
Who knows? So this, oops, there's the 2 size
wait, no.
differential. Do.
Who horked the propeller? Trudeau horked the propeller.
Well, we'll find the other propeller. But that, ladies and gentlemen, let's say gentlemen,
That's
is Chopper Ben.
Why you gotta call us names? Just kidding.
Yeah, I'm a big fan, Josh.
That's an old Three Stooges line.
Oh, gentlemen. So
Why you gotta call us
both
names?
propellers spin, and he's very, very solid, hefty
that's cool, man.
guy. And I can't wait to share this with you guys in person. So I will. If you haven't signed up to get more information about Chopper Ben, I'm pretty sure I have a landing page for it. I will put the link in the description field below. And he will be flying into homes sometime soon. Now that we know how that he can get past the border, that helps too. But I think Canada and US is easier for shipping. So hopefully this answers a lot of questions about Chopper Ben. Now that I can hold it in my hand, I know exactly how awesome he really is.
That's cool.
And I'm really glad to get to share that with you. Josh, thanks for doing this with me. It's fun
Thank
to
you, Yar.
get to
Thanks for
share
having me.
things with friends, especially silver friends who've been waiting to see the long aforementioned Chopper Ben. So we will have a link in the description field if you would like more information or want to order them. We do have 2 sizes. I will find the propeller for this guy or call my friend in Canada and get a new one. So, yay, thank you for coming into our world. You're the first of many, my friend. And stay tuned for Yellen the Felon and whatever else Chris dreams up. So, thanks for joining us for Unboxing Chopper Ben, and we'll see you later. Bye. Good news, everybody. We found the propeller. So both Chopper Bens are flying in to our worlds.
Here's your
forever.
fake money.
We can have a chopper fight. We can see who throws more money. All right.
It's
well,
cool.
that's the update. We do have all of the appropriate equipment to fly directly to you. So, yay, Chopper Ben. Thanks. See you later. Bye.